One, two,
three, go. Bilisan lang, bilisan.
Josh Cullen, what was that? Look at their reaction. Josh Cullen, are you motorboating Pablo's abs? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Forever Here. I hope that you are all doing well. I always say better late than never, but I am very late to this party. So SB19 did an IG live to celebrate 1 million followers on their IG account. And Pablo made some promises, which I'm told perhaps were not kept, but we'll see what happens during this. What I'm most looking forward to is chaos following SB19 wherever they go. So a massive thank you to the YouTube account that is Estella Pressa. If you were to have a look at the description below, you will see a link to the original upload. Thank you so much for uploading and for subbing and for all of your hard work. I know it's not easy to do this, and I'm so incredibly grateful. And also, I think that there was something like an egg song. Am I going mad? I think there was something like that was included in this as well. It feels like such a long time ago that really I feel very late to this party. So this is SB19's IG Live celebrating 1 million followers, and this was from June 2nd. Do you want to watch this with me? Please say yes.
Welcome to SB19 Instagram Live.
Look at Pal's t-shirt. He's just rubbing it in that I can't get that.
The 1 million followers here on Instagram.
Is he wearing his like silver shorts?
Our sponsors. AT Monzi Entertainment. Instagram Live.
Pablo's feeling hot.
How many viewers? Oh, it's very quick. 4,000. We're going 5,000. You know, you should speak in English. Asya na ang abs ni Pablo. Ayun.
Stel, what is that on your ear? A clip.
Kamusta? Abs reveal. Abs reveal.
That's why we're here, Pablo.
Nagtatago po si Josh dahil wanted siya.
Why? Why is he on the wanted list?
Hindi po siya sumaya.
Ah.
Sumayaw siya. Hindi siya sumaya. Guys,
Here we
you
go.
can ask questions on X. So just use the hashtag. Nag-isip. Hashtag wala. Hashtag Happy1M.
Happy1M on IG.
1M on IG SB19. 1M na ano? 1M na si SB19. Ano? SB 1 million? SB million? Anong gusto niyong hashtag? Paboto tayo. Gawa tayo hashtag sa 1M on IG. SB19 1M on IG. Ganun. Use the hashtag SB19 1M on
hashtag
IG.
SB19 milyonaryo na.
Hashtag SB19 milyonaryo.
Possible ba yung ano? Sorry, nakasambas ko. Parang dyan tapos sa TV yung nalabas.
But this last moment.
Anyway, next time.
Yeah.
Hindi ko kasi makita yung comments eh.
2 hours.
Music.
Mute mo.
Hindi yan.
Music.
Music.
Mute mo.
Oh.
Hindi yan.
Justin is on full form. We couldn't hear that. What was that? Is that another upcoming song? Tell us, what was it? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. What are they up to? These two. You're supposed to say rhubarb. If you say rhubarb, it sounds like you're actually using real words.
Okay. So, ano po, ayun, magtitingin kami ng mga questions nyo sa X. Just use the hashtag 1M SB19 milyonaryo and hashtag SB19 million. Ayan.
Hello, SB19 official. Anong ulam nyo?
Hindi pa ako makain eh.
Ano inulam nyo ng lunch? Lunch.
Magandang ko.
Nag-lunch ba ako? Parang hindi ako nag-lunch.
Hindi pa ako makain.
Ay, di pa ako makain. Parang hindi ako nag-lunch eh.
Ako ay...
Do you think?
Ano eh?
Yempo.
Nakakakain.
Ako, yempo.
Ay, si Justin kumain.
Parang si Justin lang ata kumain ng masarap ngayon eh. Magbabayad na
That's why he's full of beans.
Oh. Oh, bayad mo na. Bayad ka na yung utang mo. Dali. Magbayad ka na ng utang mo.
Ako na lang. Ako na magbabayad pa.
Dali na, pakita mo na.
Teka lang, bakit ba? Wala naman ako sinabi, no?
Meron.
Wala ako sinabi ipapakita ko.
Meron. Sabi
Yes,
mo,
you
magtatanggal
did.
ka ng... O, ganito yan ha. Babalikan
Sa
natin.
concert.
Hindi, babalikan natin yung storya. Nasaan
Yes.
tayo nun? Nasa... Hindi.
Edmonton?
Hindi Edmonton.
New York.
Oo, nasa kama tayo nun, nagla-live tayo, pinag-usapan natin yung mga brief. Basta yung brief yun, yung kailan yung dala, tapos na-open natin kung sino yung magbabato ng damit sa last concert. Parang
Yeah.
ganun eh.
Something like that.
Meron,
Tapos,
tapos...
ko mara sa TikTok na video.
Pablo.
Meron akong nakita, minention nga kita eh.
Ah, sige.
Tapos, sabi ko nun, sabi doon ni Pablo, siya daw magbabato ng t-shirt pag sa last concert, sabi ko sa last concert.
Kaninong
Tapos,
t-shirt?
sa'yo, t-shirt mo, sabi ko, magbabato daw ng t-shirt ni Pablo.
Justin's attention span is gone.
After ng concert. Tapos, bigla mong tinapat sa'yo yung camera, sabi mo, sige! Pag umabot ng 1 million yung Instagram, gagawin ko yan.
He's right.
Tapos sabi mo pa nga,
He's right, Pablo.
kita mo, may mga nag-add na ngayon, gumagawa ata kayo ng dummy account ha. Sabi mo pa sa video.
He even accused us of
Oh,
creating
kasi
dummy
may-
accounts.
nasa yung
I'm sorry
cellphone
to
mo.
have to tell you this,
Sinabi
but
mo
we
yun.
are all individuals.
Andyan yun.
Wala akong maalala.
There's no robots
Baka
here.
share nyo sa X. Share nyo sa X yung video.
Ang weird pag binasa natin yung X.
Hanapin nyo.
Ang weird niya to. Twitter pa rin ng X.
Stop changing the subject.
Hanapin nyo sa X, sa Twitter yung video.
Hey,
Yung sinabi niya sa live yun. Sabi niya, sige. Sabi mo pa, grabe pa naman ako mag-gym ngayon. Sabi mo
He did.
pa doon.
He even said that.
Canada ba yun?
Hindi.
Wala kang
Parang Canada nga ata yun. Parang Canada yun.
Hindi ko Edmonton eh. Pero anyway, I don't know. Washington daw.
Washington daw. Tag nyo si SB19 official pag nakita nyo yung video.
Tag SB19 official, use the hashtag SB19 milyonaryo na.
Nandun yun, sinabi mo. Nandun yun. Sinaman eh. Teka, kunin ko nga yung ano.
Dagdagan nyo pa, hashtag abs ni Pablo. Para lumabas dun sa TikTok.
Meanwhile,
Pag binuksan mo yung comments.
Yeah.
stream-
Meanwhile, what?
Stream Moonlight at Ready.
We
Ang
are.
mga new singles with Sir Apple and Larry Jong and Ian Asher. Pakinggan niyo po yan.
Mm. Hi, pal.
Get ready for the night. For tonight yun, di ba?
Mali ka pa sa lyric. Ready for the night.
Meron nga.
Ready for the night.
They don't know the
Get ready for
lyrics.
the night.
Meron din.
Pakinggan mo na.
Nakita mo yung...
Get ready for the night.
Ba't nabasa ko sa lyric?
Okay. Hindi na recap kayo.
These boys.
Oh. Guys,
Nakakate.
stream ready. Pablo,
What
kahit
bitchy?
4 pack lang, payag naman kami sa installment.
Ito
isa muna.
Ito na. Paparinig natin.
Pag nag-1 million followers daw kami, magpapag-giveaway ko si Pablo ng words. So, hindi ko mag-gym ngayon.
Oo nga, meron.
Oh, wait lang ka.
O, ilan na yung followers natin? 707. 333K na lang bago mag-1 million. Pero bago umabot dyan, siyempre, may 8 pack na.
He said it.
Bago umabot may 8 packs ka na.
Bago umabot na eh.
Umabot ka na.
O bakit? Wala naman siya ipapakita.
Meron nga, sinabi mo
Sige,
gano'n ka.
Yeah, continue playing it. 'cause I think he did say, didn't he? Oh.
Buto. Wala ka sinabi.
Meron.
I'm pretty sure he did.
Hindi. Ano man, as long as sinabi niya, pag
Oo,
umabot
ito.
yun.
Ito na. Nakita ko na.
Okay, go.
Alam mo, pinipigilan ko na sarili ko. Yan. Pinipigilan ko na sarili ko. Guys, bakit si Salaher, may pabalikan na yan. Si Jeff Carter, may paano na yan. Paps yan. Pag ako talaga na. Paano activity?
Oh, wala sinabi.
Meron.
You did.
Sinabi,
Stick to
ipapakita.
your promise.
Safe to boy.
Stick to your promise.
Paglaban mo kami still.
Meron ka sinabi. Diba, 18 meron siyang sinabi.
Kung halapagan nyo nga ng patunay.
Sige.
Are you
Sige.
ready ba talaga?
Pag may video na nakapagsabi na ipapakita ni Pablo ang kanyang abs. Itag nyo ako.
Alam mo bakit namin sinabing gagawin mo?
Bakit?
Nag-ready ka nga ngayon, ipakita yung chan mo eh.
Sit up siya kanina pre. Sit up eh.
Ibig sabihin, alam na alam mo. Oh, nag-ready ka nga oh.
Nag-ready hanggang moonlight.
I really love that they all held accountable to their other members because the boys are never going to let this
Kita ka sa
go.
reflection ng TV. Pakita mo.
Hey!
Kita ba sa reflection?
Wala po.
Huwag ka kasi huwag mo i-ganon. Ano lang, i-ano mo, i-flex mo.
They're all in on it, these evil
Scam
boys.
daw.
Scammer ka daw.
Come.
Oh.
Sige, bigyan nyo ako ng patunay.
Pag naman gano'n na siya, nakatapos.
Get ready.
Kahit one pack lang daw, okay na sila.
Upak.
Also,
Don't you try and charm us with your wordplay, Pablo.
Siyempre, Pure Gold
Ano daw topic ng
concert.
Jokin sa likod? Ano daw topic yung dalawa?
Yeah, let us in on the goss.
Kasi yung makisali.
Topic nila Cars, yung may mata.
Cars yung sa Disney. Si ano?
Si Cars.
Ano pangalan no? Si...
Si Cars.
Oh, nag-promise ka daw, nag-promise ka.
Ano nga yung sinabi? Wala nga sinabi na ipapakita ang kanyang 8-pack. May lusot si
Pero yun
Pablo.
naman yung pinapakating niya.
Sinungaling.
Ba talaga?
Sabi niya,
Hindi, in real life, may 8-pack talaga.
Hindi, 6 dito as ko dito.
Diba, bilang nga,
Bilangin mo lang.
Bilangin mo
1, 2, 3, 4. Apat lang eh.
Apat meron nga
Bakit
kasama sa
sabi?
mukha.
Grabe yung tanong ngayon.
Ano, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Anim lang ang abs niya?
6 lang ba?
9 nga eh, 9 nga sa kanya.
He has 9 packs.
Sa'yo eh.
Okay na ba yung 6? Okay na ba yung 6?
6 lang eh.
9 nga yung sa'yo eh, sa pabilangan natin.
Bakit yung putik?
Ano? Ano yun?
Ukarin mo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Ito lang yun sa'yo eh.
Huwag natapos mo akong boso-bosuhan.
Pwede na yan.
Pwede na to.
Pakita mo sa tele.
Your Honor, hindi niya po niya maalala.
Linisin
Your
mo yung
Honor.
pusod mo muna.
Gusto ko po siya makita.
TMI.
Gusto ko po siya makita.
Grabe, Pablo. Pablo, pakita mo na parang hindi ka naman nag-aral.
Gusto ko po siya makita.
Pablo naman eh, di mo ba naalala yung sinabi mo parang hindi ka nag-aral?
Hindi ka grade 2. Anong pinagkakaabalahan nyo today? Kami, dance
Lesson.
with RJ. Meron kaming
For what?
isang dance routine.
Pakita mo na kasi gusto niya namin makita.
Pakita mo na.
Gusto namin makita sa mga mata namin na may abs ka na.
Ayan.
Gusto ko po, tingnan niya ako sa mga mata ko.
These boys and their names.
Your Honor, di niya maalala yung sinabi niya Your Honor.
Did Justin just say I've got abs now? Don't you start.
Sabi ko, may 8 packs na ako. Pero wala akong naalala. Sinabi ko na, aking ipapakita.
Parang hindi ka naman nag-aral?
Possible po ba magkaroon ng IG broadcast ang SB19? Ano yun?
Sige, mamaya. Mamaya.
Ano yung sabihin mo?
Mga Gen Z lang may alam nun. Sorry.
Ay, yung parang group chat, parang gano'n.
Gets. May lumalabas sa mga followers. Pina-follow.
Ayun guys, meron din kaming concert sa Pure Gold on July... Ay hindi, mauna muna syempre yung Pistang Pinoy sa Korea and Wish Bus Daan.
Wish Bosan.
Hindi ko na palabasa yung board.
Wish, ano? The unveiling?
It's unveiling.
Ano yung sinasabi mo?
Yun nga, unveiling.
Unveiling.
June 9, yan. Sa June 9. Sa June 9.
June 9, sa
I'm actually really interested in Ken and Josh's conversation in the back.
Train to Busan. Let's go. Kasi sabi ng management namin, gusto daw nila ma-experience yung mga zombie. Paano yung tunog ng zombie? Paano yung tunog? Kanina ginawa mo na yun eh. Paano yung tunog ng zombie sa train?
And then we have, nasa atin ang panalo. Nasa atin, hindi na nasa iyo, nasa atin na. Thanksgiving concert on July 12. Yeah, syempre, birthday ni Stel sa June 16. Yes.
Pero wala na ako dito. No?
Why?
Hindi ka ba? And then,
Will you be traveling already?
we have Watson's playlist.
Ang baba ng boss.
Nakailang Watson's playlist na tayo? One pa lang. So, second Watson's playlist na natin to. On August
Those two in the
18.
back.
August 18.
I want to be a part of that
Busy
conversation.
sila. Nung mga ilang araw na silang busy magkwentuhan about sa mga kotse. Sabi ni Pablo, ako na lang walang best friend dito. Magmotor na kasi kayo.
Sino sabi na?
Ikaw.
Kailan ko sinabi?
Nung, ano,
Talaga ba?
oo.
Mabilis akong makalimot eh.
Kasan daw si Pinuno.
Ano naman, ano.
He's here.
Upak na lang, wag na 8-pack. Ano na naman yung kinis?
Sinungaling.
Sino pupunta dito ng, ano, July 12? Sino ang pupunta July 12 tsaka August 18? Sino ang pupunta sa Korea?
Ano daw wish mo birthday na i-share sa amin?
Ha?
Anong wish mo sa birthday mo na gusto mo i-share sa amin?
Ah, sige. Yung wish ko na lang para sa 18. Sana po maalala ni Pablo yung amo niya sa 18.
Yes,
Para sa
they'll hold
18.
him accountable.
Sana gawin niya. Di ba 18? Ang wish ko po, sana hindi maging
Trash
trash talker
talker.
lang at maging scammer si Pablo.
Wish. Wish.
Ay, ano ba?
Kahit, alam mo, kahit may linya, may nakaganan. May kahit may linya. Kasi gumagano, may layer ka kasi.
Magaganyan.
Is it padded?
Hindi
Is the
planchado.
shirt padded?
Ba't ganyan yung abs mo? Di planchado.
Mom, no.
Tinignan mo ba yan? Bakit gusto yung abs mo?
Sobra yung balat.
Bakit yung abs mo ano? Hindi
No.
planchado. May steamer dyan oh. Pa-steam nga natin yung abs mo.
Kahit ako yan si Pablo, si Pao.
Oh, grabe. Grabe si na batak na
Lagi
batak.
mag-anytime fitness.
Tsaka hindi na siya kumakain ng marami. Ayusin mo yung tuck-in ng abs mo.
Tsaka yung dedication, yun yung mahirap eh, yung diet.
Hindi, seryoso talaga. Grabe siya mag-diet lately. Nung concert nga namin eh, parang 5 days ata siya hindi kumain.
Sabi niya nga doon sa...
Before concert, para daw
Ay,
sobrang...
gamba. Ay, gamba.
5 years siya hindi kumain. 5 years. 5 days siya hindi kumain before the concert para daw yung mukha niya.
Ganon na ganon. Natutulog yan sa dahon ng ano eh.
Kaya pansinin niyo yung mga videos namin nung pagtatag concert, yung gento niya ganun lang.
Sa dahon ng saging.
Wala siyang energy.
It's true.
Kasi inire-reserve niya yun today.
It's true, so.
Actually, simula concert, after nun, hindi siya kumakain hanggang ngayon. Ilang weeks yun.
Grabe na lang, mukha mo na sa guru ah.
Truban Nieve. Hashtag pandesal ni Pablo.
Bread roll.
Sitatin niyo, kasi
May
Kunin na
sinabi
tayo ng
lang
palaman.
sa-
Kunin tayo palaman.
Even I have...
Eh, nakikita sa reflection ng TV yung pagangat ni Pablo ng damit. Oh, nakikita na. Nagre-ready siya, di ba? Nagre-ready siya. Kasi
Kita ba?
nag-ready siya. Nag-ano siya ng abs niya. Pinomp niya yung abs niya.
Ayaw kasi ipakita kasi screenshot
Ah,
nila.
ayun,
Tapos
kita mo.
baka
You might link.
Eh, ba't pa tayo nag-live? Eh, di sana na nag-picture ka, tapos minessage mo sila isa-isa, di ba?
Yan na nga eh, yan sasabi ko eh.
Ilabas ang pandesal. Sakto magkakape na ako. Bakit
Bread
parang
rolls.
lumalim boses nila?
Lahat po kasi kami.
May sipon lang.
Taos kasi mo lahat.
Yun talaga kami.
Wala
Pasensya
naman,
na.
hindi naman malalim boss namin.
Hindi naman malalim. Taas yun. Kaya pa nga namin bumirit, diba? May nakita ako pala. Sabi, try mo ubusin yung hangin mo, tapos sumigaw ka.
Paano ubusin mo?
Breathe out.
Ubusin mo talagang wala na.
Ubus!
Nakita
Try mo.
Nakita ko sa...
Try mo. Ubusin mo hangin mo. Baka mamatay ako.
Do it, Stella. Please do it.
Like, ubos na boss.
Oh, we're gonna be here for a while. There is a lot of lung capacity here. Stella.
Ubus, dami ko lang naubos na hangin.
Pangas, meron pa din.
Bakit ako?
You still have some left.
Ibig sabihin, pag nawala ng hangin sa mundo, ikaw unang mamamatay. Kasi ubus ka agad. Hindi pa ubus yung mundo, ubus ka lang.
Huwag ganun, huwag ganun.
Ay, baka. Amoy ko yung liyan ko
Ulan niya kayo na.
Amoy ko yung liyan ko dyan, buo. Parang hindi mo nginayan. Parang hindi mo nginayan liyan ko mo. Wala ko yung Diyos mo. 4 seasons.
Pineapple.
O, kaya 4 seasons, pasok yun. Diyan, iba talaga.
Sabi nyo nga.
Next contestant.
Contest. Musta daw ang bakasyon sa LA?
Hindi yun yung usapan si Pablo Pablo, hinahanap ka nila Mamaya na pa ma-open ang topic dito Ba't kasi nandiyan ka sa gilid? Dito ka kasi.
Ayoko dyan.
Bakit? Dito ka.
Yung bago ba yan? Yan ba yung bago niyong merch?
Yeah, I like it.
Ayusin mo yung damit mo. Ayusin mo.
We literally just saw the shirt.
Hindi, ayusin mo yung damit mo. Ayusin mo. Ayusin mo. Oh, ka na. Diyan.
Not in front of the camera, Pablo.
Napapasnort ako.
Ano pa mga question dyan? Ano pa mga question?
I figured it out by watching all of their stuff. I kind of get triggers of when they're being like really silly or like really serious. Stell's got this new thing that when he's like having us on or scamming us, he will try to cover his laugh with his whole hand. And I'm onto you now, boy. I will never be fooled ever again.
Tsaka di naman kami complete nun tatlo lang kami pumunta Asa na?
Why has Pablo disappeared again?
Kasi kami, busy sila, nasa sila, car show. Kaya nyo
They went to a car show. Am I being gullible?
Kakainin mo yung Ferrari.
Asan na yung mga questions?
Para mga tatay nag-uusap sa likod.
They are.
Ano yung mga tito mong Pagka
Sa inuman.
Sa inuman. Tapos nag-uusap na sila mga interes sa buhay.
Crazy Kart pinag-usapan nila. Crazy Kart, Mario Kart.
Oh, meron. Nakita mo may guhit nga yun, no?
Yung pusod yung guhit.
Daming viewers 13,000.4.
I'm ready.
13.4 thousand. Bakit
No,
hindi
hindi 1 Dapat 1 million.
True.
I-expect mo ba yung 1 million na yun online ngayon? Ano, wala silang buhay outside social media?
Anong galing yan?
Parang kabuko siya ngayon.
When ang next atin lang podcast? Sa picture ni Josh way back 2012.
Gagayan ko yung face.
Naka ano pa siya, retrika. Yung naka collage retrika with filter na ano.
SB 19 milyonaryo na.
SB 19 milyonaryo na. So ano na pag-uusapan natin?
We still haven't stopped talking about Pablo's
Hindi
abs.
po siya tahimik, nagkikwentuhan sila sa
They're chatting, yeah.
Galit. Hubaran mo na, Stel.
Halika na dito! Halika na dito!
Look at him. Oh, this is actually really mean. I know it's all a joke, but look at his little face.
Sisilipin ko kung anong itsura.
I'll take a peek of what it looks like. It's like your little baby, right?
Ay, grabe. Umbok na umbok.
Ba't ganun nga? Parang may bukol. Ay, hindi naman.
Grabe.
Ay, grabe. Grabe.
Ay, wag ka!
Grabe naman. Parang may ano dyan, chocolate juice.
Hindi pa umabot sa ganyan level.
Chocolate cake, sorry ah.
Nagmuro ka
Ang hirap tunawin nung dito sa ilalim.
Grabe yung pattern mo Grabe yung parang daanan ng sasakyan. Ayun.
Stella, look at him.
Wow! Grabe yan. Pera! Oh ba yun? Ding 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 ding.
It's itchy, yeah, we can see.
Grabe naman yung abs mo, parang may libag ah.
It's not quite the same colour as the rest of your arms and body. It's gonna do it. It looks like a Ninja Turtle.
Sige, go. Bilisan lang, bilisan.
Josh Cullen, what was that? Look at their reaction. Josh Cullen, are you motorboating Pablo's abs?
Ang lalaki naman, parang dalawang tinapay yung malalaki.
It is a massive thumbs up from Astel. I'm so impressed. It looks like Ninja Turtles, you know? Donatello? What are they called? What are their
Yung
names?
Saiyan, yung ano, Super Saiyan, ano.
That's what their bodies look like.
Wala.
Ano yun?
Sabi, ano yun?
Ano yun?
Ay, hindi na nakita.
May papel?
May papel? Oo, papel.
Anong papel? Legit yun.
Just can't get over. I mean, Pablo's abs is one thing, but everybody's reaction to it is a whole other
Nahirapan niya
thing.
for ano, 5 years.
Uy, hindi mo na abs ah.
Oh yeah, show us yours then.
Pinaghirapan ni Pablo yun.
Kita ko lahat ng hard work.
O, ano masasabi mo doon? Ano masasabi mo sa mga nasasabing fake?
Anong workout routine mo?
Your Honor.
Nag-ulat 24 hours. 24 hours a day.
Kahit tulog yan, nagsisitups yan. Tulog na siya nun, at sa kalagi na madaling araw, gaganon yan.
Scam. Oh, Josh na lang daw.
Oh, just
Napagod na sila kakapiling sa'yo. Kainis naman, ay, Josh na nga lang. Nakainita na, naing oras ko, Josh na nga lang.
Bumaba to yung viewers, oh.
Oh.
Tumaas ah. Ibig sabihin, habang tumataas,
more.
habang tumataas viewers, itataas na rin. Pataas yung viewers, pataas yung t-shirt.
Yes, I am up for
Pag
this.
nakabot ng 20,000, mag-uubad yan ng t-shirt si Pablo.
Let's do it.
Agree.
Agree.
20,000 viewers, mag-uubad ng t-shirt si Pablo.
We didn't hit 20k, did we?
Lalabas mo yan.
Grabe. Nakakatakot.
It does look scary.
Natakot na ako.
Batak
Batak
na batak.
na batak.
Grabe mo ah.
Gawing diet yan, bakal lang.
Kaya tayong buhating 5. Ay,
Grabe
4.
yung pag...
Justin?
Ang target sa side.
Are you a group of 6?
Obliques ba yan?
Hindi.
Balakang.
Ano yung chicheria?
Baby fat. Hindi, love handles. Hindi, love handles pag
Ano
ganyan.
yung side?
I'm rocking in my chair from this comedy.
Kate!
Kita. Kita pa rin yung ano eh.
Funny.
Pero tumataas. Tumaktuhan din siya.
Oh, tumaas na naman. 500, tumagtag 500.
O, ayan po, sa mga nanonood. Kailangan po umabot yung 20,000 viewers.
Yes.
Tapos pag umabot ng 20,000 ang
ano? Mr. Olympia.
Kita! Nakakasaya!
Mr. Olympia.
I can just feel how itchy that is. Poor pal.
Yung likod.
Ken needs to put his hands up into Pablo's shorts and pull it down. And then it needs to be cut into the crease of Pablo's bum. And then it will stay put.
Wala ka yan eh. Lahat ng program.
Ayan.
Tapos si Pablo, lokot na.
Pinag-ano yan?
Tama lang, ginagawa. Okay lang
Lahat,
yan.
no? Alauna to alas 2, back. Alas 2 to alas 3, chest. Alas 3 to alas 4, biceps, saka tricep. Tapos pagkatapos nun, legs.
Yes, don't forget leg day.
Lahat talaga.
Imagine those big bulky guys and they've got like really skinny legs.
Kati.
We know.
Kung ganyan.
20k daw ba pati si Jam magpapakita? Ay, grabe.
Pag nakapunta na Coachella yan.
Susya na naman siya.
Ito, sabihin ko, ipapakita ni Justin ang abs.
Okay.
Ikaw magsasabi.
Well, you're not saying don't.
Pagtatag eh.
Mm.
Pagka ano
Hindi.
eh.
Hindi ko kasi pinapakita.
Gina.
Wala na. Mga napagod na. Pagod na ako.
Yung ab ko hanggang legs eh. Parang na-order na shirt.
Pablo, you're not supposed to tell us the behind the scenes of this all.
Nandito na yung pusot.
Siyempre ano yan, dapat hindi mo inaano. Sige na, magbubad ka na ng totally, pre. Pakita mo na.
Pakita mo na talaga ang tunay na
Ano mo, parang
Yeah.
Sabi,
We honestly don't care.
lang si Ken kaya niyang gawin.
Yaman pa ako sa kalokohan niyo.
Grabe.
Si
Kenny!
Pablo ang ating pinagpupulutan dito.
Oh, Kenny,
Pagod
stop
na
being
kami
coy.
nakahintay, Pablo.
We've seen them.
Abs na lang ni Ken.
Wala akong abs, sorry guys.
Yeah, you do.
Talagang buong-buong ano to.
And what a piece it is.
Gusto niya tabs.
Sliced bread. Buong sliced bread.
Okay!
Okay, may sumagal.
Mga kabibayan, ito po.
Oh.
Magic.
Justin, ikaw naman.
Mag-open daw tayo ng broadcast channel
Justin,
soon.
nag-ban na eh.
Oh, suggest daw kayo ng name. Use the hashtag SB90 Milyonaryo na. Suggest name for
Josh.
the broadcast channel.
Ano ba saan nagagaling yung SB90 Milyonaryo na?
Still.
Bakit? 1 million followers. Milyonaryo. Siyempre, 18 yung ano natin, yaman natin sa mundo.
Ang weird neto.
Kayo ang aming yaman.
Mm-hmm.
Paano niyo?
Ano yun?
Ang weird neto. Kita niyo yan. Diba straight siya? Pero pag binaluktot ko, di na siya straight. Hindi niyo yan napapanood.
What a way to kill the conversation.
Pablo, ikaw kumausap sa kanila, kaya naman tayo nag-live dahil sa...
Sinabi ko mapapanood yun.
Can I tell you how much I love that they did an almost 1 hour live, truly focused not even on the achievement of 1 million subs, followers on IG. They legit, they did it, and Pablo prepared to do it for the whole ab situation. I love that. This is why these boys are like nothing else. And it's so amazing that they're running their own ship because they can just do stuff like this.
Nakikinig kayo maigi sa sinasabi.
Yeah, go on then. Explain yourself.
Words don't lie.
And
Yan.
Interested po ako sa abs. Link po ng shop, please. 5K na lang, maghuhubad na si Pao. O,
Welcome.
5,000 na lang, guys.
Grabe no?
Halika.
Kasi laki ng...
Wala na yung view.
Sari buhay sa Salapil.
15.
Ang nakikita nyo ay native dito sa Pilipinas.
Abs reveal daw kayo lahat.
Ang Philippine Eagle.
Road to 20. Road
Ang
to 20.
scientific name nito ay Triceratops.
I love Justin's little voiceover.
Sabi ni Rampy Hanabi.
Workout reveal, Pablo. Para maiwasan. Iiwasan yung workout mo, pre.
So kukuha ka ng chips.
Loko din, eh.
Gagano ka.
That's my kind of workout.
Kahit ako nag-chips masyado.
Ano yan?
Don't you?
Suggested name. Ofifis. Ofifis.
Ko, miss na miss kita.
Look at those hot daddies in the back. I'm sorry that all of my attention has been on the two of them. At least out of this, we didn't get Pablo's abs, but we got a lot
Because
of Joken.
birthdays, work days.
Westel.
Natitigan na lang tayo.
Si Ken ang maswerte sa birthday. Yung birthday niya ay
Usually,
rest day. Yeah. Yung sa amin ay busy days.
Why? What's on January 12th?
Per month.
Anniversary natin.
Wala tayo masyadong
Oh.
Tama.
Si September at si October ang maraming ganap.
So, ayun. Tayo po ay
Get ready for the night.
magdasal.
You ready? I've been waiting for this.
Ayun po guys, syempre. Ready naman, diba? Ready is out now on Spotify. Ready is out now on Spotify. Ano ba dyan? Moonlight.
Moonlight.
Yung live.
Yes.
So of course, mga paparating na yung mga shows, abangan nyo lang po. So, sa lahat po ng mga siguro mga bagong mga taong nanonood ngayon na nag-aambag ng apps sa Pablo, na curious, follow our page, search nyo lang sa lahat ng social media platforms at SB19 Official or Official SB19. Makikita nyo na po dyan and para updated po kayo palagi sa lahat ng mga ganap na.
He should really carry this on like a full comedy, couple of TikToks or something, all based around his abs.
Go up na siya.
I can imagine it already, the content.
Hindi na siya di-up.
Oh no, you did not just
Apple go up na.
Apple go up, ganun.
They are not amused. Did you see the daddies in the back?
Tapos mag-message mamaya si Sir Apple. Mga loko-loko kayo.
Yeah.
Nabastos niyo ako sa live niyo.
Buti nga pinayagan tayo. Makapag-quarantine.
Here we gonna go on.
Anong next niyong promise pag nag-Coachella? Promises are meant to be broken, so huwag na kayo mag-promise.
That's not true.
Kayo lang naman yung sumusunod sa mga promise niyo.
Yeah.
Ay, ako basta ako sumusunod ako. Mga sinasabi kong words, tinutupad ko yan.
Ako napatunayan ko yung madaming beses na
Wala
Hindi ko
sa
pala
lola
sa
mo.
mga kasama ko, napatunayan ko nila yan.
Hindi kayo sumusunod sa promise niyo. Ako lahat ng sinabi ko sa kanila, ginawa
Yung
ko.
mga fans natin talagang yung 18 talagang tinatandaan nila lang.
Exactly. We keep that all as ammunition.
Mga photos o mga videos na sarili nila. Para makita, for example, si Justin.
Wala kasi akong makitang video na yung sinabi ko na ipapakita ko yung abs. Parang sabi ko lang, meron na akong impact.
Siyempre, paano nila malalaman kung di mo ipapakita?
Yeah, what's the proof?
Bakit? Imahinasyon na yun.
What's the point of that?
Terry na lang daw.
Screw my
Terry,
imagination.
tawagan natin si Terry.
Oh.
Yeah, come on, let's go to Terry.
Ha?
Hand? What happened to his hand?
Bakit po ang linis ng swelas ni Ken?
Bakit daw ang linis ng swelas mo?
Linis ni Suelas.
Bicep civil na lang still.
Suelas.
Lumulutang kasi siya pag naglalaro.
That's true.
Yung
Ito?
Gaya ng sapatos.
Madumi na yan.
Brand new.
To see is to believe. To see is to believe.
Kasi yung yung spelling ng believe is B-E, tapos space, tapos L-E-A-B-E.
What if ang joke na lang mag-bet?
I am so up for this idea. Give us the content that you haven't given us.
Kaya alam niyo
You're the ones that gave us I Want You.
May karapatang magubad sa amin. Kaya siya lang yung may mapapakita.
Tumigil kayo.
Uy, parang ibang website na to.
Kaya nga!
Ginagawa niyo.
Ayusin nyo nga yan! Kaya nga ako, hindi ko pinakita.
Uy, grabe kayo, ang daming batang nanonood sa atin. Maging example nga kayo, SB19. Grabe naman kayo.
Tama.
Dami-dami yung batang fans, tapos ganyan kayo lagi. Ganyan lagi kayo mag-joke. Grabe naman kayo, SB19.
Ay, naku.
Hindi nyo ba iniisip yung mga ginagawa nyo?
I love
Unfollow
it, Steph.
SB19. Wag
Delivered those truths.
Grabe,
People
SB19.
do say that stuff.
Nag-iiba na kayo, red flag na kayo lahat. Ang dami-dami yung batang fans, is ganyan kayo mag-live SB19 na.
Unfollow SB19. Cancel.
Grabe yung SB19. Tapos di kayo nagsusuportahan. Ako, grabe kayo SB19.
Sino ba yung mga
SB19.
So spicy, and I love spicy.
Lakas na naman niya SB19. Ako, sabihin ko talaga, di ko pinapakinggan SB19.
Ako din. Ano yung kanta nila?
Hindi ko rin alam. Ano yun?
Grown up ba yun?
Grown up.
Yeah, we gonna grown up.
Yun yung team song dati nung di ba?
Ba't ganun yung picture? Parang sinisilip ko yung ano. Para siyang pregnant, tapos sinisilip ko yung baby sa loob.
Silip. Di na po ako bata.
Kami rin.
Yeah.
Everyday, kinagat ng 7 lions.
So ano nang gagawin natin? Meron, 15K yung nanonood, ang dami niyan.
Manta ka na lang.
Kanta tayo ng...
Sing go up.
Ay, gumiting din siya. Ay.
June 7, sa resort case din. Ano yun?
Wala.
Ano yung pinunta mo sa ano? Ay, dahil po
Nga pala nag-audition ka, no?
Ay, yung puting buhok.
Huh?
Gusto mo share na lang natin sa lahat? Guys, pakibunot nga ng white hair. Ano ba? Nasa live tayo, Justin, no? Alam mo, wala na tayong masabi.
June 2 ba ngayon?
June 2.
There's nothing wrong with having white hair.
June 2. June 2.
Kanta na daw.
I love this like kind of family dynamic and comfort level.
Naboboring. Naboboard na sila.
Yeah, let's focus in on a certain pair in the back there.
Concert?
Sino mga taga-busan dyan?
Busan.
Pupunta tayo ng busan.
That's a nice version of Vanino.
Busan na lang. Oh.
Hi.
Anong ginagawa nyo ngayon? Ba't parang
I
dami
swear
time
Pablo
ngayon sa
is
social
like a
media?
cat.
Sunday kasi.
Sunday ba ngayon?
Yes.
Phone reveal?
Di ba pag Sunday dapat family day?
Tayo ang family nila.
Ay,
Yun, sasagot
True.
mo. I know you so well.
Family is life.
ha? Ayos yun ah. Okay yun ah.
Hinayin din namin yun.
What is Josh performing to in his head?
Linggo ngayon pero bakit ano? Bakit
O di ba kayo ang family namin?
family namin kayo?
Kayo pahinga.
So ano nyo kami? Tatay nyo kami? Tito?
Daddies.
So ano ka? Ano ka namin? Pamangkin? Apo?
Ano yung kanta sa Ice Ice Water?
Ice water, ice water. If your shoes is dirty, please go home and change it.
Mansari pala daw
Ice
ngayon.
Ice Water.
Mansari daw ng 18 ngayon. Happy Mansari sa inyo.
June ba?
Hindi, every 2.
Mansari nga pala, Mansari. Anniversary.
Happy Mansari
Justin.
po. Sana masaya kayo. Ano nang gagawin? Hindi kami naboboard eh. Kahit huwag kayo magsalita, panoorin namin kayo. Ano yun? Titigan lang?
Yeah. Sounds perfect.
Bakasyon? Oo nga pala, kakagraduate lang pala ng iba. Ano nga pala ngayon, no? Bakasyon. Graduation month.
Tapos iuusod ata ang pasukan ng July.
Muulan ba ito?
Tama ba?
Hindi ko sure eh. Pero parang kakagraduate nga lang ng mga ano.
Kanta kayo SB. Anong kanta yung SB?
Bakit ulan? Hindi, pero mahangin.
Uulan pa lang. Gloomy kanina eh.
Uy, tumataas yung viewers, so 15.3. Wala tayong ginagawa.
Ayan.
Family!
Para sa visa. Yes.
Yes, Jobs!
Yes!
First time!
Pumunta po kami Korea!
Lilipad na si Joe.
Gano'n na lang, magano
July
tayo.
29 po ang pasukan.
Magano tayo, impromptu na ano? Impromptu a cappella. Impromptu a cappella. Sisimulan ko ng... Wait lang! Pasok kayo ah.
Oh, this is cool.
May pa naman yung melody mo.
Resistant. Chorus na kasi.
Meron pang ano?
Bawa ng itlog.
Egg?
Pablo, ang bawa na itlog mo?
Why is he just randomly sat here eating an egg?
Na-distract.
Doon kakata si Pablo ng lyrics.
Pablo!
Ano naman yung lyrics for ano?
Hindi siya papasok si...
Sige, ganito lang. Mag-beat tayo, beat. May beat, tapos may topic.
Rapper era.
Ano?
Cypher?
Rapper era.
Hindi naman rap eh, anytime. O sige, gusto niyo rap. O,
Ay,
rap
ano?
daw, rap daw, mag-rap daw. O, mag-rap. Ano topic?
Oh,
Ano
no.
topic?
Itlog ni Pablo.
Itlog ni Pablo.
Oh no.
Itlog ni Pablo.
Oh no.
Nagbabalat ng itlog si Pablo.
Ngunit nahihirapan siya.
Kaya nawawasak na niya. Hindi lang yun. Ang bantot pa. Ang bantot talaga yun.
Alam mo yan, bakit ka? Nababahuan. Bakit kasi? Ang butas ng ilong. Yo.
Yeah.
Pero hindi ilong. Sumakas ang ilong.
Why is there a cat in this song?
Nagbaran na pusa eh. Itlog ni Pablo, ngayon kanya binabalatan. Kanina lang pinapainit niya doon sa tubigan. Tinatapon niya ang balat sa lamesa. Kanina pinapaikot niya, ngayon ano pa ba? Kinakain ang maliliit na balat kasi may nakadikit pa na konting laman. Pero pag tinignan mo ang itlog niya, ngayon nabiyak na ang kalahati, kita na ang laman. Itlog ni Pablo ay binabalatan. 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 Kinain niya at sinubo niya ang kanyang itlog. Sige, tanungin natin anong lasa ng kanyang itlog. Masarap ba?
Masarap. Malinamnam.
Itlog ni Pablo masarap at malinamnam. Tinatanong nila kung pwede bang matikman. Hahayaan mo ba 18 niya na matikman? Patikin mo ba sa 18 niya? Itlog ni Pablo na malinamnam. Itlog ni Pablo.
The talent.
Itlog ni Pablo.
Seriously, they're just kidding around, but the talent. Someone check on Stella, is you okay? He's gone.
Break it down.
Itlog ni Pablo. Itlog ni Pablo.
I really love that we have got some serious freaking rappers sat right there, and Stella's flexing his rap skills right here.
Go!
Talking about an egg.
Patikin daw ng itlog ni Paulo. Oy! Pwede ba patikim to?
Itlog ni Paolo.
Wala na, boss na yun.
Meron pa akong isa. Alam naman natin na iyo'y dalawa.
Nasaan yung isa? Nasa initan pa. Kunin mo na ngayon para mabalatan mo na.
Oh,
Kinukuha na ni Pablo. Ang itlog na bilog.
Where is it?
I'm sorry, but how did we get to this?
Itlog ni Pablo. Itlog ni Pablo. Itlog ni Pablo. Itlog ni Pablo.
Is Tyler gonna get back in time with his second egg?
Itlog ni Pablo. Break time.
Dance break. Hey!
Stella's so crazy.
Go!
Di ako handa.
Hindi ka handa.
Pero andito na. Okay, kasing
Sin.
okay.
Ilan yan na meron doon?
Wala na, last na.
Hindi mo na. Uy!
Pablo.
Yung asin
Oh my God,
kumakalat.
Justin, kinalat mo yun.
Kumalat ang asin.
Justin.
Pupunan mo
Alam
ng
ko,
asin.
ito.
Itlog mo patikim.
Ang gusto ni Pablo. Ang
ang gusto ni Pablo sa itlog ay maalat. Ay, tumatapon yung screen.
Ano ba naman?
Bakit tumatapon? Sarado na.
Ini-shake mo eh.
It's typical. Salt will always like leak everywhere.
Bagaan lang natin. Kalad naman. Malungkot.
Yan naman si Bakit yun.
Ang itlog ni Pablo.
I just think if you try to explain what SB19 get up to in their lives to a non-18, I don't think they'll believe you. Like, and I think you could try and say like it's so funny, but they won't understand unless they're actually here and watching it.
Alam mo, wala na tayong ginagawa. Itlog ni Pablo on Spotify, when daw?
Ay nawala sa kauli. Kinakain niya pati ang
Why?
ito. Pero kailan ba ito matitikman ng ibang tao? Ang itlog ni Pablo ay napaka-sagrado.
Sacred.
Sagrado. Binasbasa?
Maybe it is. That's why he has abs like that, you see.
Ibang category. Ibang category.
Hindi, trap ng itlog ko.
Next category.
From abs to itlog eh.
Ba't naman kasi sagrado? May itlog din ba si Stel? Wala na po. Pinakain ko na kinain. Tsaka kay Pichi. Yung raw egg.
Sarap na itlog.
Iingit naman ako.
Yung pag gutom na gutom ka, tapos kumain ka na itlog.
Mas pepino, no?
Itlog at pipino.
Alam mo, wala na tayong magawa.
Nilalagyan ng
Pwede na tayo
suka. Okay.
Feeling ko ano okay na ba kayo doon sa pinakita ni Pablo?
Sort of.
Siyempre sabi sila hindi.
No, it was
Wala silang
entertaining.
magagawa.
Dalawa na ngayon nakita nyo abs ni Pablo tsaka itlog ni Pablo eh.
I know, this was a very
Kinakain pa ni Pablo yung itlog.
Pablo-filled live.
Fluffy ang itlog ni Stel.
Oo, kasi nagluluto ako lagi. Naglalive ako, nagluluto ako ng
Scrambled
itlog.
egg yung
Scrambled egg.
Okay, kami po ay kailangan nang mag-stop dahil may
Magba-back to
mga
train.
gagawin pa kami.
Yes, nagluluto pa rin. Sana lahat kayo.
Yes guys, don't forget to stream Moonlight with Terry, Johnny, and Asher. And of course, collab namin with Apple the App. Ready. Pakinggan nyo na, out na yan sa mga streaming platforms. And syempre, meron kami sa Korea on June 9. Pistang Pinoy sa Korea and Wish Bus, the unveiling. Sa June 9 po yan. And then Pure Gold on July 12. Nasa atin ang
cool.
Panalo Thanksgiving Concert.
Yeah.
And syempre, August 18, Watson's Playlist. Ayan, makakasama po kami ng iba't ibang artists dyan. Like sila Bini, sila Sanchez Lola, Flo G, G22, sa Watson's, and many more artists. Kaya, ayan. Alamat. Super dami. So, masaya. Punta kayo.
It looks like a great show. Great lineup.
Broadcast name.
Horizon din, di ba, nandun sa WhatsApp?
Suggest po
Horizon.
kayo ng channel broadcast name.
Yeah, suggest po kayo.
Yes.
Suggest kayo.
Pabsilog daw.
Shameless plug later.
Tsaka pala nasa atin ang panalo no, ng Pure Gold. Nasa atin ang panalo.
What's next for SB19?
Magti-training po kami.
Naku,
A lot, like Asim.
napakarami.
A lot.
Justin is too good at
Okay,
this.
magmerienda na daw tayo. I think diretso na kaming dinner.
Oo, kasi nagmerienda
Babay
si
na pa,
Pablo.
pakita mo na yung abs mo totally.
Wala. Ano ko naman pakita?
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye everyone.
Bye! Isa-isang babay.
Bye-bye!
Wait, log.
Mata ni.
Matre.
Family is love.
Bye-bye! Ay!
Ay, nahulog.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye, everyone!
Paalam
Bye, everybody.
sa inyo.
Bye! Ingat kayo today!
I thought he was going to lift up his shirt then. I'm just like obsessed with abs.
Saan yung abs ko?
Oh, we just saw them.
Have a great,
Bye-bye daw,
great
pero.
night. Have a great night.
Bye.
Bye.
Ano pa po ba?
Paano ba ito?
Ingat kayo today, team. Thank you so much. We love you. Bye-bye. See you soon.
Bye. Gento.
I love it. You know, I really miss watching all of their TikTok lives. Obviously, they happen sporadically and like on special occasions, but because I have done a massive catch up, I've watched quite a few in the past year, for instance, and so watching this again has made me really miss them. But obviously, we're not going to get another group live until we hit the next milestone, and that's, yes, me being greedy, but also like their dynamic is so family, total family vibes. The jokes that they have with one another, the way that they scold one another, and like just the behavior, the comfort level, it's just completely different. And I look forward to when we're going to get the next group live, because it's just so much fun and so chaotic, honestly speaking. When they launched 1Z and they did that whole was that on IG? Or was it a YouTube thing? But it was a YouTube live, I think, that they did, where they talked about like what the company was going to be about, their like goals and objectives, and they did that whole introduction. I seriously thought that we were going to turn a corner. And do you see this smile erupting on my face? Because I thought we were going to turn a corner, and now we were going to get like really structured things from the boys, and they were going to follow like a somewhat soft script when they were going to do anything like this, and it lasted for a couple of months, and now we're back to just pure chaos. Literally, this was not scripted whatsoever. I truly don't believe that they did this to celebrate 1 million followers on their IG. They for real did this to annoy Pablo and to poke fun at him, and for him to show us his abs. And then like everything else that happens after this, the wordplay, the jokes, the on the spot rapping, and the just freaky talent that these boys have. Just, you can't explain it. It really is inexplicable, and I just thoroughly enjoyed watching this. That abs reveal was freaking hilarious. Like, I cannot get over him ordering that shirt, putting it on, and then basically spoiling it right up until the moment that he actually did the reveal, and then the reaction that the other members had, like that they were so invested in this whole story, then pulling up the receipt and saying, Pablo, you did say this, and just the banter that we have within this fandom is amazing, and this was definitely what I needed. There's again been some sort of noise and hatred and stuff and fan wars and whatnot going on social media, and I don't know, just let it go. It's not worth it. You know how social media and the internet works. The more you engage with it, the more the algorithm will bring it to you. It is not worth it. We are better than that. SB19 brought 18 up to be better than that. Do not engage with it. Just block or report if somebody's being a real lowlife. But I think it is really important to note that the industry actually works in quite malicious ways. If anybody is quite innocent to what happens behind the scenes, that some people are just out to get you, and some people are planted and funded to say and do certain things to make somebody look bad, and you need to be aware of it, and you need to block it out. Do not let them get the worst of you, because it's just not worth it. We don't need it. We don't want to deal with it. So just block it out. We have enough that we need to be focusing on. We have 5 individuals, and we have a group that we want to get to Coachella, that we want to be nominated for big, massive awards, and we want them to hit the international stage ASAP. So let's just get to streaming all of their songs, their latest releases, group and solo, and we've got so much to look forward to. They're keeping us really busy in the next couple of months, and I look forward to staying in the loop with you with all of this stuff and keep talking to you. But honestly, just take a breather. If you need to take a couple of days away from social media, that's absolutely fine. And just, this isn't real life. Social media is not the be all and end all of it. And what if somebody says something doesn't mean that it's true. And I know when you care and you love somebody and you respect somebody, if somebody says something against them, you feel it in the pit of your stomach, the anger, the rage, and you want to lash out and you want to tell them that they're wrong. But actually, sometimes silence is really powerful. So use it. And use that block button to talk to me about this live. This was thoroughly entertaining. Not only did we get Pablo's abs finally, which in my opinion were just as I imagined them to be, we also got an on-the-spot song, which was so crazy, and we got lots of comedy, lots of wordplay. We got our sexy daddies in the back talking about cars, and then we got a little bit of what's going to happen in the future, and I'm so appreciative that they do these lives and they're unscripted and they're so real, because this is a huge part of what I love about SB19. I can't wait to hear what you have to say about this live. And I think this is one that I'm going to be going back to a lot, especially Pablo's face. He's so unfiltered. Like, he doesn't care if you're live or if something is being seen, like, behind the cameras. Like, breaking down that barrier, he doesn't really care. He'll just be himself. If he wants to eat an egg, he's going to go and get an egg, and he's going to peel it, and he's going to eat it. He doesn't care if it smells, and he's going to make sure he goes and gets some salt so that the egg tastes good as well, because if you're going to snack, then it needs to taste good. We should all be like Pablo. Let's focus on the eggs. Thank you so much for watching this with me. I hope that you had fun, and until I see you next time, take care. Stay safe.